Feeling tired, moody, or just not quite yourself lately? If you're nodding along, you might be dealing with more than just a bad week. Unexplained weight gain, intense PMS, and persistent fatigue could be your body's way of signaling a deeper issue: a hormonal imbalance known as estrogen dominance. This common but often overlooked condition occurs when your estrogen levels are too high in relation to your progesterone levels, throwing your entire system out of whack. In this video, we'll explore the key signs of estrogen dominance, dive into the science behind it, and uncover practical solutions to help you reclaim your balance and feel like yourself again. Recognizing the signs is the first crucial step toward addressing the imbalance. Estrogen dominance can manifest in a variety of ways, often dismissed as just part of being a woman. You might notice persistent weight gain that stubbornly clings to your hips, thighs, and abdomen, no matter how much you diet or exercise. Mood swings can become your new normal, with increased anxiety, irritability, and even feelings of depression taking over. This hormonal shift can also drain your energy, leaving you with chronic fatigue, brain fog, and difficulty getting a good night's sleep. Your menstrual cycle can also be a major clue. If you're experiencing irregular cycles, exceptionally heavy periods, or severe PMS that disrupts your life, estrogen dominance could be the culprit. Other physical symptoms include tender or fibrocystic breasts, endometriosis, hair loss, constantly cold hands and feet, and a noticeable dip in your libido. So what's happening inside your body to cause these symptoms? It's all about the delicate dance between two key hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen is a pro-growth hormone, while progesterone helps to balance its effects. Estrogen dominance isn't always about having sky-high estrogen. It's a relative imbalance. Several factors can tip the scales. Our modern environment is full of xenoestrogens, chemicals found in plastics, pesticides, and personal care products that mimic estrogen in the body, adding to your overall estrogen load. Your liver also plays a crucial role, as it's responsible for detoxifying and eliminating excess estrogen. If your liver is overwhelmed, that excess estrogen gets recirculated. Chronic stress is another major contributor. When you're stressed, your body prioritizes making the stress hormone cortisol, often stealing the resources needed to produce progesterone. Furthermore, your gut health is directly linked to your hormones through a group of gut bacteria called the Estrobolome, which helps regulate estrogen. An unhealthy gut can lead to estrogen being reabsorbed instead of excreted. Finally, a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and alcohol, and low in fiber can disrupt this delicate balance. The good news is that you have the power to support your body and restore hormonal harmony through simple, practical lifestyle changes. Your diet is a powerful tool. Focus on incorporating high-fiber foods like whole grains, legumes, and seeds, which help bind to and excrete excess estrogen. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and kale are particularly beneficial as they contain compounds that support liver detoxification. Opt for organic produce whenever possible to reduce your exposure to pesticides. Managing stress is non-negotiable. Introduce practices like mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or gentle yoga into your daily routine. Prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night is also essential for hormonal regulation. Regular, moderate exercise, like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling, can significantly support hormone balance and overall well-being. Lastly, start detoxing your environment by switching to glass food containers, using natural cleaning products, and choosing clean personal care items to minimize your exposure to xenoestrogens. Understanding the signs and science of estrogen dominance is the first step on a journey toward reclaiming your health and vitality. By taking proactive steps with your diet, stress management, and environment, you can begin to restore your body's natural balance. Remember, this information is for educational purposes, and it's essential to work with a trusted healthcare professional to get a proper diagnosis and personalized advice tailored to your unique needs. We hope this has empowered you with the knowledge to take control of your hormonal health.